Hey guys, today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I am going to take these mason jars and we are going to put salad in them, and you can store them in the refrigerator all week, and then you've got a delicious lunch ready to go. And I'll show you how to stack them perfectly so all of your ingredients stay fresh. You can find the link to this recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for mason jar salads. So to get started on our salads, we've got to cut some grape tomatoes in half. And you can do as little or as much as you want. You don't have to put grape tomatoes if you don't want to. We've got grape tomatoes here, and then we're going to put some sliced cucumber and some shredded carrots and some butter lettuce. And this is a traditional, just a basic salad. Feel free to dress it up, put some cheese in there, maybe some fresh herbs would be really good. You just make it your own. So there's our tomatoes. So now I'm going to cut cucumber. These are some little baby cucumbers that I get at the grocery store. If you get the bigger cucumbers, you're probably going to want to quarter them before you cut them smaller into smaller pieces, just so they're a little bit easier to eat. I don't really care for eating giant rounded pieces of cucumber in my salad. Cucumber, I'm gonna do just a little bit more, maybe just half of this one. In our other vegetables, we've got some already shredded carrots. I hate shredding carrots, but you can shred your own or you can leave them out. And then I've got some butter lettuce that I already cut up. This is actually, I don't think it's butter lettuce, it's living lettuce. It's got the root on the bottom, which is really kind of crazy. But I really like this lettuce. It's really delicious. So for our salads, we're gonna start off with the dressing. So this is, if you put the dressing on the bottom, it's going to keep all of your other ingredients from getting soggy. So we're just going to put enough dressing in here. I'm going to say 3 spoonfuls. I don't like a lot of dressing, honestly, but you can put as much as you want. And then let me cut up some chicken. So I've got some chicken tenders. I just season them with salt. We're just gonna cut these, kind of shred them up. And you can put as much or as little as you want in your salad. Do one more little one. You could also do chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You could make this a taco salad. You could put taco meat, like ground beef, and then you could put taco flavors in your mason jar. The main key is that you want to have your dressing on the bottom and then your meat. Anything wet on the bottom, because after this, we're going to put our tomatoes and our cucumber, because those are kind of, wet ingredients. Okay, let's do tomato and cucumber. It's looking pretty. Now some cucumber. And you're not going to want to eat this out of the jar. You're definitely going to want to dump this out into a bowl. It just makes it pretty. Maybe it makes it a little easier to put in your refrigerator. I don't know. Why else? Why do people make mason jar salads? I don't know. But I know people do. So I'm telling you how to do it right. So then we're just gonna shove all of our lettuce in there. Get lots of lettuce. And our lid. And there we have it. There's our mason jar salad. Isn't that so cool? I love it. So I'm only making 1 or 2. I might make another one, but I would suggest making like 4 or 5, and then you can just put them in the refrigerator. Whenever you want a salad, you just open it up, dump it out, and all of your ingredients are perfectly layered, so your food doesn't get soggy. So guys, I hope you like this recipe. You can find the link to the recipe in the description below, or you can go to jenniferbands.com and search for mason jar salads, and I will see you guys later. Bye.